Hello, welcome to your first HTML lecture. I am Desmond with SPP Tech, and in today's lecture we will talk about tags. This lecture is more like a review of what we saw in the introductory lecture. We'll be using Notepad++. How you've downloaded yours already. Let's save our page. File save as. We'll save our page as index.html. As we said, we'll be saving our HTML pages with an HTML extension. Generally, HTML tags take the form open tag, tag name, then you have a content, then you have a closing tag which has a / in it. Okay, these are not real tags, so let's give you an example with a real tag. Paragraph. So this is our tag name, then our content will be this is a paragraph. Then we'll close our tag / close our tag here. You can see real tags will be highlighted in blue using Notepad++. You said for every tag you open you have to close it, but there are some tags that are single that doesn't have a closing tag. These tags are called empty tags. For example, you can have a tag like this, which is for line break. This is a tag for line break. So in writing these tags, you put a / just before the last or the closing angled bracket. This is how you close this type of tags. Just put a / before, just before this end angle bracket. Okay. In writing an HTML code, you have to declare the doc type, and this doc type declaration defines the type of HTML. So to declare a doc type, you open your angle bracket, ! type doc type HTML, close your angle bracket. This doc type here declares this is a doc type declaration for HTML5, and that's what we'll be using here. So after the doc type declaration, you go ahead and put your HTML tag, and we said anything inside this HTML tag indicates it's an HTML code. So we said for each tag we open, we have to close it. So let's close our tag at once. / close it. Don't forget the / HTML. In the structure of HTML pages we saw in the introductory lecture, after the HTML tag, we had the head tag. So let's create a head tag here. Let's close it. And in the head tag, there was a title tag. We'll have a title tag. What do we put our title? This is a title. Close our title tag. The head tag here contains information about our HTML code. Let's put our body tag. and our body tag will have information. That's everything that will be shown on our browser. Close our body tag. /body. Okay, in the body tag we'll put a heading tag or heading here, and the main heading, as we saw, is H1. Let's put a welcome note. Welcome to my first web page. Close our H1 tag. Let's go ahead and put our paragraph tag here. This is a paragraph. Close our paragraph tag, / close. Okay, this is what we saw in our introductory lecture. We have a title here which contains information about our HTML document. Actually, a head contains information equally about our HTML document. We have the body tag, which is what will be shown on the screen of our browser. Then have the HTML tag. Let's save. Okay, let's save this. Okay, this is what we put in our title tag up here. So here we'll have our first. This welcome to my first page is what we put in our H1, which is the main heading. You can see it's already highlighted and in bold. Then coming here, we'll see what we put in our paragraph tag. That will be all for this lecture, and in the next lecture we'll do more interesting stuff. As you know, I'm Desmond with DesPP Tech, and it was a pleasure teaching this lecture.